Now you can install and manage any MCP server directly from the extensions view in VS Code. This new MCP Servers installed view makes it easy to monitor, configure, and control your installed MCP servers. In my case, I already have the Playwright and GitHub MCP servers installed, so they show up in the list. This list view offers various management options through the context menu. If you want to explore and install new MCP servers, just click the Browse icon. This takes you to the VS Code MCP page, where you can scroll through the list of available servers and click Install on any one that interests you. Let's install Figma's MCP server. You'll be prompted to grant permission to open VS Code, and once you allow it, VS Code will launch and open the MCP Server Editor. Just hit Install to add it to your workspace. You can also view the configuration and manifest details of any installed server. Let's now install the MCP server for Hugging Face as well. You can start the server by selecting Start Server from the context menu. After installation, these servers are instantly available in the Chat Views Tools Quick Pick, so you can start using their features right away. That's it. This powerful VS Code feature helps you get up and running with any MCP server in no time. Which MCP server is part of your daily workflow? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below.